Today, we are going to practice the past simple with a dictation exercise. We will work on regular and irregular verbs in affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. There are 3 levels: easy, medium, and hard. Write down the sentences you hear and then check your answers. Remember, you can pause, rewind, and repeat as many times as you need.
Easy level.
We didn't cook dinner. We didn't cook dinner. We didn't cook dinner.
Did he open the window? Did he open the window? Did he open the window?
Did you study for the exam? Did you study for the exam? Did you study for the exam? I played football yesterday. I played football yesterday. I played football yesterday.
She watched TV last night. She watched TV last night. She watched TV last night.
They didn't visit the museum. They didn't visit the museum. They didn't visit the museum.
Medium level.
He didn't work at the office last week. He didn't work at the office last week. He didn't work at the office last week.
She finished her homework before dinner. She finished her homework before dinner. She finished her homework before dinner.
Did they travel to Spain last summer? Did they travel to Spain last summer? Did they travel to Spain last summer?
Did you drink coffee this morning? Did you drink coffee this morning? Did you drink coffee this morning?
I went to the park last Saturday. I went to the park last Saturday. I went to the park last Saturday.
We didn't see that movie. We didn't see that movie. We didn't see that movie.
Hard level.
The archaeologists discovered ancient artifacts in the desert. The archaeologists discovered ancient artifacts in the desert. The archaeologists discovered ancient artifacts in the desert.
She whispered a secret that nobody understood. She whispered a secret that nobody understood. She whispered a secret that nobody understood. Did you exaggerate the story to make it more interesting? Did you exaggerate the story to make it more interesting? Did you exaggerate the story to make it more interesting?
He didn't receive the important email yesterday. He didn't receive the important email yesterday. He didn't receive the important email yesterday.
We didn't notice the changes in the schedule. We didn't notice the changes in the schedule. We didn't notice the changes in the schedule. Did we completely enjoy the performance at the theater? Did we completely enjoy the performance at the theater? Did we completely enjoy the performance at the theater?
How did it go? If you made 0 mistakes, wow, perfect score. Excellent. You're a true English champion. If you made 1 to 2 mistakes, great job. You're on the right track. Keep practicing. If you made 3 to 4 mistakes, not bad at all. Good effort. Review the tricky parts and you'll get it next time. If you made 5 or more mistakes, looks like you need a bit more practice. Keep going. Watch the video again and give it another shot. You'll improve.